So hi guys, I am Aditya. Currently working as software developer. So I hope everything is going good in your life. So basically in this video I just want to share with you like IT jobs and non-IT jobs, both opportunities for freshers and as well as experienced person. So basically now I start on a video guys. Like the first opportunity is coming from Accenture. In the Accenture company they are hiring like web developers, and the second company, this is like a Cisco company. In the Cisco they are hiring software engineers, and the third opportunity is coming from Yes Bank. Actually in this bank they are hiring like if you don't have any like vocational courses or engineering related degrees, so you guys are eligible to fill this form. So now when I talk about the related to Accentures, what is the requirements and is eligibility criteria for these jobs. So now I move forward in this video guys, and this is like for the Accenture. Just Accenture requirements 26 has been announced to hire freshers and experienced candidate for the web developer associates role at it means pan India, and candidate with have any graduation like BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, BBA, BCom or related to computer fields, right? Degrees from the like 22, 23, 24, 25 and as well as 26. This is a literally a very big opportunity guys, क्योंकि MNCs इतनी ज़्यादा आप लोग को मतलब वो इतनी ज़्यादा ईयर गैप का वो ऑप्शन प्रोवाइड नहीं कराती है, बट ये एसेंचर वालों ने आप लोग को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रखा है, सो आप इसे अप्लाई कर पाओगे. So now when I talk about the job role is like web developer associate, and the qualification is like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA graduates. And when I talk about the experience is like 0 to 2 years. It means अगर आप freshers हो तो भी अप्लाई कर पाओगे, and suppose if you have experience then you guys are also eligible to fill this. And now when I talk about the qualification and as skills, experience requirement is like candidate must have graduates any degree, and experience is like 0 to 2 years, and freshers are also eligible. And when I talk about the skills required, like a strong knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Not only for like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you have to knowledge on the good knowledge on like Angular JS, Angular and React JS. Nowadays guys, like most of the companies are using only React JS compared to Angular, so you need to focus on React JS. This is a very good technology in nowadays guys. So and the next one is like understanding of web application and HTTP request, basic knowledge of database and server side development, like database in the sense like in SQL and all. And the next one is like problem solving and analytical thinking, and the good communication is always needed guys. Good communication तो आपको होना ही. When I talk about the resume, how to make your resume, the first point is like using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You need to mention your resume at anyhow. And the next one is like web apps और portfolios, जो भी आप अपने कॉलेज में डेवलप करते हो एप्लीकेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह, उससे आप यहाँ पे मेंशन करो. And the knowledge of like React and Angular is bonus. I already mentioned nowadays most of the companies are using only React, not even Angular. Like React is a more famous nowadays compared to Angular. And now, I also work on React JS guys. In my company I am working on React JS. So and the experience with CMS tool, UI UX responsive designer skills, these are the skills guys you need to mention your resume. So then your resume will select like chances will increase for selecting the resume, because this is the like very good technology nowadays in the market. So when I talk about the where is the job links and all for the Accenture for web developer, this is like our job role guys. Just you see here like web developer associates, like and experience is like 0 to 2 years. And when I talk about the job description and all, just you see here, I just want to add one more point here guys. Like just you see here, year of qualification lies 1 to 3 years. It means अगर आपके पास like if you have done any internship like 6 month or 3 months का आपने इंटर्नशिप भी अगर कंप्लीट करा है तो भी आप इसे अप्लाई कर पाओगे. ये कोई नेसेसरी नहीं है कि आपके पास 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होगा तो ही अप्लाई कर पाओगे. इफ़ यू हैव लाइक 6 months ऑफ इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस, देन यू गाइज आर ऑल्सो एलिजिबल टू फिल दिस फॉर्म. So that is the point, that is the mainly one point guys, just you need to focus, because I know very well in the comment section then again people are asking is this is like experience of, but I already mentioned you guys, like if you have 3 or 6 months of internship experience, then you guys are eligible to fill this form. And literally this is a very good option guys to start your career from MNC's company. So now I move forward in this video guys. I just you come here and read what is the qualifications and all, like any graduation, location is like pan over India, like that. So you come and read all the things, job descriptions and requirement. So now I move forward in this video guys. Like I just want to add one more point guys, like if you here come for the first time on this channel, then please help me guys, because in this channels I always try to make only job hunting and career guidance related video guys. Like if you have any doubt related to your career other than job opportunities, then you simply drop me a comment guys, definitely I will help you. And like I just show you the one more thing guys, like what is the time here it is going on now. जस्ट यू सी हियर लाइक 12, मैंने वीडियो 12 के आसपास पे क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. तो लाइक दीज आर द हार्ड वर्क्स गाइज. सो जस्ट यू सी एंड ऑल्सो यू पुट लाइक हार्ड वर्क्स इन योर लाइफ गाइज. आप जितना ज़्यादा मेहनत करोगे उतना ज़्यादा आपके लिए बेटर रहेगा. मैं एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर वर्क कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन उसके साथ भी मैं कुछ अलग से एफर्ट्स लगा रहा हूँ. सो अगर आप भी कुछ करना चाहते हो तो स्टार्ट करो गाइज, ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है, आप कर सकते हो. So now I move forward in this video guys. The second opportunity is coming from our Cisco. In the Cisco company guys, they are also hiring like software engineers. I just show you guys just wait. This is the like software engineers guys. So location is like Bangalore and India. So now I move forward. What is the qualifications and description? I just show you like bachelor's or master's degree in computer application, electronics and electrical engineering, computer engineering or related technique. And the next one is like have up to 1 year of experience software development through coursework, internship और इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आपके पास 6 महीने का भी एक्सपीरियंस, इंटर्नशिप का एक्सपीरियंस तो आप अप्लाई कर पाओगे. सो नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड. आर प्रोफिशेंट इन सी लैंग्वेज एंड C++ विद फैमिलियर विद पाइथन एंड सेल स्क्रिप्टिंग. इट मीन्स बेसिक नॉलेज आपके पास होना चाहिए गाइस. सो नाउ डेज AI इज़ इन ट्रेंडिंग. हियर ऑल्सो मेंशन लाइक आर इंटरेस्टेड इन AI enabled engineering practice including the use of AI assistant, tools of software developments, debugging, test automation, productive improvements. ये आपके पास सारे नॉलेज होने चाहिए गाइस, तो आप इसे अप्लाई करोगे. So guys, just you come here and read all the things. So now I move forward. The third opportunity is coming from like Yes Bank. In the Yes Bank, they are hiring for non-IT jobs. Like this is not for the IT jobs. So this is the job links guys. Just you see here. Here you drop your resume and all here and fill all the details whatever required, like name, middle name, genders and all the things. So just you come here and fill this form guys. This is a very good option. If you are a freshers and experienced person, then both guys are eligible to fill this form. So just you come here guys and fill this. So for today guys, this is enough for me. मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में. Thank you.